Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day because I wanted to bring you this Game of Thrones look. This is my House Lannister look that I did. I recreated it last week in my last day of my beauty class, and this was the look I did. So this is what I wanted to create for you guys. Give you another close-up look of what I did. So yeah, I haven't been on my channel lately because I've been so busy with work, and I started doing this beauty class. I had to become a certified makeup artist, so that was exciting. And so yeah, there's a lot of stuff to come still, but Game of Thrones is coming up in 1 week. I wanted to come on here and just do this little look for you guys because I absolutely love Game of Thrones. We went to Game of Thrones, as I mentioned in my previous videos, to Northern Ireland in 2016 and got to do the Winterfell tour. That was a lot of fun. So yeah, I don't know what's going to happen next week. Next week is just going to be so incredible. Like, next Sunday, I'm so excited for it because, like I said before, we didn't get into Game of Thrones until like late 2016, and I told myself I was not going to get into this series, but I did, and I don't regret it at all. But yeah, if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and please continue to watch my videos and support me because, you know, I'm a small little channel just trying to get followers and subscribers, and you know, I enjoy doing videos when I do have time. It is fun, but sometimes, you know, other things get in the way and I won't always have time to make videos, but I will try to be consistent with what I'm doing. So yeah, please like and subscribe to my videos, ring my bell, and let's get into this Game of Thrones look. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because Game of Thrones starts next week. I am super excited. So today, in the course of the next couple videos, I'm going to do 4 Game of Thrones house looks. I have my Game of Thrones shirt on, so the Lannisters, the Starks, Targaryens, and Baratheons. So those are the 4 looks I'm going to create. I'm going to start off and just prep my face like I normally would. Been watching Game of Thrones for honestly not that long, but I started watching it and I got hooked. I didn't even like start watching it like when it first came out, you know, years ago, because I didn't have HBO, so we weren't really into it, but we were able to get a free preview of HBO one weekend, so I started watching it, but it was like in the middle of season 4, episode 2 or 3, and I'm like, I can't watch this because I don't know what the hell is going on. So we saw it by one of our cousins' houses, and it was so incredible. So then I was like, this is what I've been missing out on for this long. So Hassan and I decided to go get HBO Go so we could watch it whenever. And we became hooked right away. So Game of Thrones, yes, I'm super excited for season 8. What do you guys think about what's going to happen? Oh my gosh, there's so many speculations, so many theories, so many things. I just don't want to listen to it anymore because I just want to see it. I want to see what the heck is going to happen. Oh, I'm so excited though. But anyways, let's get into this look because I'm not here to talk about just like what's going to happen, but I'm here to do this video look. I'm just going to prep my face like I said, and then I'll come back. And I apologize, I haven't really been uploading lately. I've been just, I don't know, in a weird funk I guess, and just haven't really been able to put out videos, only because one, life gets busy and that's just what happens. So it was just getting to be like, I didn't want this to be like another thing I had to do. This is something that I want to do, not something that I have to do. So yeah, also some other news that's been going on with me is that I was doing a makeup course, and the makeup course ended last Thursday. I will link all the information with the course that I did in my description box below. It was really good because now I could say I'm a certified certified makeup artist. So now I could, you know, do makeup for clients and things like that and start building my own clientele if I wanted to go down that route. Which one day I would. I mean, it's fun. I like doing makeup, and I just think that makeup can make anyone look beautiful. I mean, you don't need makeup to look beautiful. You just use it to enhance all your features. So yeah, that's been going on with me, and I think that I've just been busy with that, and I created a lot of looks within the makeup course, and it was a lot of fun. The girls that have this makeup course, they're a bunch of amazing girls, and I'm so glad that I met them. Because, like, I was gonna do a course and go all the way to Atlanta, and I really did not want to do that because I didn't want to spend the money and go and just deal with Atlanta. Nothing wrong with Atlanta, it's just that it just wouldn't have been economical for me and just wrong timing. So when I found this makeup course, it was just like, oh my gosh, kind of just fell into place. So I have to make use out of it, because it's just like anything else. The more you put into something, the better the outcome will be. Okay, to create these looks, I'm gonna do the Targaryen look that I did. I did it last Thursday too. I said it was my Targaryen look. I'm gonna recreate that look, and I'm going to use my Morphe 35V palette. It's a really pretty palette. This is in my beauty kit, so I'm just gonna use this to create this look. I'm gonna actually use a couple of palettes because these colors are just, they're gorgeous, but I also need some other ones for my Juvia's Place palette, the masquerade one. So let me get that one out too. This is a really beautiful palette. I got this at Ulta. Ulta had like 30% off their Juvia's Place palettes a couple weeks ago, so I ordered two of these. Well, two different palettes by Juvia's Place. These colors are really pretty. They're very vibrant. So yeah, I was really excited when I did this look, and then it turned out really good. I'll post a picture in my in the feed so you guys could see what I did.
So yeah, Game of Thrones is
just, it's an incredible story. The whole book series. I don't have the books yet, but I will be getting them. And I'm gonna buy the entire DVD collection once it's all over and done with. So who's my favorite character? I really do like Daenerys. She's just amazing to see her transform from just a shy, sweet girl to this queen. She's amazing. I like a lot of characters. I do like Cersei too. She is so bad, but she's so good at being so bad. Joffrey, I absolutely hated Joffrey. Oh my gosh, he needed to die. He was so terrible and just ugh. Of course, I love Jon Snow. I love all the Stark children. Catelyn, yeah, I'm a little iffy with her, just because of how she treated Jon, of course. But yeah, it's just a really great, it's a good series, and I'm really glad that I did get into it, because I told myself I am not gonna get into the show, nope. But I got die hard into it and went to Winterfell in 2016 with Hassan, which was a great trip. Okay, so I prepped my eyes, and then I need to get some more eye primer. Here it is. I'm using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I put some on earlier, so I'm gonna put some more on. Because I really want the gold to pop. This AOA Studio F16 brush to put it on. I apologize if the fan is just making noise or whatever. It's just really hot down here. And I really am not a fan of the heat. So, just bear with it a little bit.
I'm gonna take some more of that Wild Things color. Okay.
I think I used Daya, this one down here, because it's really gold. You can see how gold it is, so I'm going to use that. And put that on my crease area. I'm going to use my Morphe M504 brush to do that. What do you guys think? This gold is really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going to clean up a little bit of the gold. This is the color Heat. It's another, just like another nice orangey kind of color. Because the colors of the Lannisters are pretty much red and gold because they have the lion as their representation animal. It looks kind of messy going on, but once I'm done it will look really pretty. Okay. I'm gonna take the same fluffy M504 brush, and I'm gonna take Tantalizer. I think I'm gonna take this dark purple. This dark purple is called Bad Boy. I'm gonna put it in the corners of my eyes, the corners of my crease. Royalty color.
I don't want to put it too much in, but I think just put a little bit more.
Take the Juvia's Place palette again and just put a little bit more gold. Just blend them together. And then I'm going to take I think swipe right, this color up here. I'm gonna put it above my brow bone. Not too much, just to give it a nice little look. I really do like these colors. I like how they all flow together too. So I'm going to finish up this look and I'll be right back. This look is almost finished. I'm just gonna put some lashes on and some mascara, and I'm gonna also do a little bit underneath. I have this Urban Decay Gold. I'm gonna use this. And then I got this MAC color. It's called I Like to Watch. It's a really pretty color. It's part of their glitter collections. So what I did with it was I took it like this and I just put it on top of my eyes. If you could see that, if you could see the glitter, kinda. And I just think that completed this look that I was going for. And it looked absolutely gorgeous. You just need a little bit too. A little bit of this goes a long way. And I haven't been to a MAC store in like years, so I went with the girls from the makeup group and kind of went on a field trip, if you want to call it that. And I haven't been in a MAC store in years. I used to always go in MAC, but as much as I love MAC, I don't like the prices, so I was finding alternatives to paying so much for MAC makeup. And MAC, you know, will always be the best. They will always be the best in my eyes, like from their foundations to their studio tech to their eyeshadows to everything. MAC is on point. But I don't know, I found a lot of other brands that were comparable, sort of. MAC is still #1, but anyways, yeah, this look is so pretty. I still want to put lashes on, so hang on a second. I'm just using these AOA Studio lashes to do it. And so a trick that I learned in my class was that when you put lashes on, and there you have it, my look is done. I used my Juvia's Place blush in the color, I think this is Bella. Nope, this is not Bella, this is Safrina. So I used Safrina, it's the blush I have on, and I used LA Girl Velvet Blush Contour Stick as a highlighter, just a little bit. And the lipstick I have on is this MAC Red Russian Red. This is the color I have on. So my look is done, my Lannister look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my video. Ring my bell, and I can't wait to create my next look, which will be my Baratheon look. Yay, Game of Thrones, one more week till to this day. What's gonna happen? Who knows? No one knows what's gonna happen. Well, people know, but I don't want to listen to them.